Welcome back, everyone. In the last episode, we learned about friend functions and static members. Today, we'll explore an exciting concept, operator overloading in C++, where we can make operators like plus, minus, or equal to work the way we want for our own classes. In C++, operators such as plus, minus, or multiply already work with built-in types. But what if we want them to work with our user-defined classes? That's where operator overloading comes in. Now this here is a very basic program where we are trying to add the complex numbers. But if we do that without overloading the plus operator, our program shows error. To remove this error, we have to overload our operator. For that, we'll write the same name as our class, complex. Then we type operator and then the operator which we have to overload. Here, that is plus. In the braces, we write const complex ampersand C. And then inside the curly braces, we actually add them. We'll write return complex real plus C dot real, which will add our real numbers, then a comma, imaginary plus C dot imaginary, which will add our imaginary numbers. And our program works as we redefine the plus operator to add two complex objects, that is C1 and C2 here. Let's try to overload other operators. For example, let's say bool operator equal to, which will obviously check whether both the complex numbers are equal. So we'll write const complex ampersand C and then return real equal to C dot real. Here we are using the AND operator, then imaginary equal to C dot imaginary. In the main we'll write if C1 equal to C2, then print equal, else print not equal. Let's save and run this program to see what we'll get. So here we got 4 plus 4 imaginary and then not equal. We can also use a friend function for operator overloading, especially when the operator needs to access private data from both objects. So in this program we created a friend function and then defined it outside the class's scope. This feature makes our custom classes behave just like built-in types. This is what you have to do. Create a matrix class that stores 2 cross 2 matrix. Overload the plus operator to add two matrices. Then overload the equal to operator to check if the matrices are equal. And if you got that right, drop a smiley in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.